Hello students, I on behalf of Abdemi, Professor Dr. Vidut Godagupta will discuss two problems on probability which are very interesting. So to discuss about the probability, first we define what do you mean by probability. So first we define the probability of an event A, probability of an event, probability of an event A is defined as favorable number of cases, favorable number of cases by total number of cases, by total number of cases. What do you mean by this? Favorable number of cases by total number of cases. I am taking two examples. Number one is, suppose a coin is tossed. Suppose a coin is tossed. What are the total number of cases? One is our head, one face is our head, other is our tail. So total number of cases is 2. So total number of cases equal to 2. Now when I toss the coin, one face will occur. So the two faces are probability of falling head. The total number of cases is 2. So if head comes, 1 is in favor. So the probability of falling head is all half. Similarly, probability of falling tail, this will be also half. Now I am taking another example. Suppose a 6-faced die, a 6-faced die is thrown. 6-faced die is thrown. What are the total faces? Total faces are 6. What are the numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the total number of cases is of 6. Total number of cases is 6. Now when the die is thrown, one face will occur. So in favor of, suppose the probability of falling 4. Total number of cases is of 6. So when 4 will occur, this is only one is in favor, 1 by 6. Similarly, probability of falling say 3, that is also 1 by 6, and so on. Now, another thing we have to note that if A be an event, A bar is known as complementary event. So if PA is the probability of happening A, then PA bar is probability of not happening. PA bar, this is equal to probability of not happening A. Not happening A. And it should be noted that the total probability, that is probability of falling A and probability of happening A bar, the total probabilities are 1. So if 1 is known, we can find the other one, the complementary event. Now come to our main problem. What are the problems? A and B alternately throw a pair of dice. A wins if he throws 6 before B throws 7. And B wins if he throws 7 before A throws 6. A begins the game, find the chance of his winning. So if 2 dice are thrown, what is the total number of cases? The total number of cases, 2 dice is thrown. So total number of cases is 6 into 6, that is 36. 3 dice are thrown, 6 into 6 into 6, that will be 216. So here A wins if A throws 6. So first you find the probability when A throws 6. 6 can happen in this way by the 2 dice. 6 can happen in this way, 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4, then 3 plus 3, then 5 plus 1, 4 plus 2. So in these 5 ways, 6, so in this 5 ways 6 can happen. So probability of falling 6. So probability of falling 6. This is equal to total number of cases is 36. In favor, we have got the 5 cases, 5 by 36. Look at the next one, B throws 7. So 7 can happen in this way, 7 can happen in this way, 1 plus 6 by the 2 dice, 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4, again 4 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 2, and 1 plus 6. So what is the favorable number of cases? 6. So probability of falling 7, probability of falling 7. This is equal to, in favor is 6, total 36, this will be 1 by 6. Now what do you want? I want, if A begins the game, what is the probability that A will win the game? Suppose X chance of winning, X be X. Let X be the chance of, let X be the chance of A's winning. Now how A may win? A may win if, number 1, he throws a 6 in first attempt. Otherwise, if A fails, then B must fail, and again his chance of winning is X. So how we write? X is equal to, in first case, A throws a 6 in the first attempt. What is the probability? Just now you have found out this is 5 minus 5 by 36. And what is the second case? A fails. That means 1 minus 5 by 36. B fails. That means 1 minus 1 by 6. And again his chance of winning is x. So this is equal to 5 by 36 plus 31 by 36 into 5 by 36 into 5 by 6 into x. From this, if you solve for x, that will give 30 by 61. So A's chance of winning is 30 by 61. Again I am discussing this. First, here you are given the probability of an event is the favorable number of cases by total number of cases. Here the problem is A and B alternately throw a pair of dice and A wins if we throw the 6 before B wins 7. So first we find what is the probability of A throwing 6. 6 may happen in this way: 1 plus 5, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 4 plus 2. So probability of falling 6, favorable cases are 5, total number of cases is 36, that is our 5 by 36. Now in the second case, probability of falling 7, in this way it may happen. So favorable number of cases 6, 6 by 36 is 1 by 6. So let x be the chance of winning A. So it may happen, A may win if it throws 6 in the first attempt, or A fails, then B must fail, and then again his chance of winning is x. So right here, x is equal to 5 by 36 plus A fails means 1 minus 5 by 36, B fails means 1 minus 1 by 6. Again his chance of winning is x. From this you can solve for x, that will give 30 by 61. So A's chance of winning is 30 by 61. Next problem, the probabilities of solving a problem by 3 students A, B and C are half, 1/3, 1 by 4 respectively. The probability that the problem will be solved is 4 options are given: 1 by 4, half, 3 by 4 and 1/3. So you have to find which option is correct. What you are given A, B, C. So the problem may be solved. Here to solve this problem, I discussed one thing: probability of at least one happening, at least one event happening, at least one happening, and probability of none happening, are complementary. Probability of at least one happening and probability of none happening is complementary. That means if we take this probability of at least one happening is A, and this is none happening will be A bar. That is PA plus P A bar equals to 1. Now here you are given that the problem, how the problem is solved. So the problem may be solved if at least one of them, if at least one of A, B, C can solve it. At least one of the students A, B, C can solve it. What you are given, the A can solve the problem the probability for which PA is equal to half. And you are given B can solve the problem. This is equal to 1/3. And C can solve the problem. You are given this is as 1/4. So what is the complementary events? That is A cannot solve the problem. That is P of A bar. Therefore, you can write P of A bar is equal to 1 minus PA. That is 1 minus half. That is equal to half. And here P of B bar equals to 1 minus 1/3. That is our 2/3. And P of C bar is equal to 1 minus 1/4 equals to 3/4. Now, first we find that if none can solve the problem, what is the probability? If none can solve the problem, then the probability is P A bar into P B bar into P C bar. So if none can solve the problem, what is the probability? This is half into 2/3 into 3/4. That is our 1/4. Just now I have written that the problem may be solved if at least one of the ABC can solve it. So if none of the ABC can solve the problem, the probability for which is 1/4. So this is a complementary event. So therefore, probability that at least one of them can solve it, at least one of them can solve it equals to 1 minus 1/4, that is equal to 3/4. So the correct option is C. Therefore, the correct option again I am discussing this, the probability of solving the problem. The problem can be solved if any one of them can solve it. That is, at least one of them can solve it. So just now I have discussed it that two events of at least one happening and none happening, these two are complementary events. So P of A plus P of A bar equal to 1. So first we find the probability that none can solve the problem. You are given that probability of A is equal to half, probability of A bar equal to half, 1 minus half, that is half, and probability of B is equal to 1/3. So probability of B bar equal to 2/3, and probability of C bar is equal to 1 minus 1/4, C/4. So if none can solve the problem, what is the probability? P A bar into P B bar into P C bar, and that is our 1/4. So the problem can be solved if any one or at least one of them can solve it. So probability that at least one of them can solve it is equal to 1 minus 1/4, that is our 3/4. So the correct option is C. Thank you.